You cannot even show me one Bitcoin?
Gentlemen, this is...
What's up everyone, it's Adam from FWCI and we've got the April 2021 Dashcam Owners Australia on the road compilation. Love these videos, goes for 15 minutes. It's just a highlight of terrible driving caught on dashcams across Australia for the last month. Sometimes old footage sneaks in there, but these videos are awesome. Definitely check out Dashcam Australia, subscribe to them and check out their videos. They can come hang out with me and we'll watch it together. Now let's check this shit out. Is this Beverly Hillbillies? What the fuck is going on? Huh? Did that end up back the other way? Holy shit. Alright. We're off to a start.
What the fuck?
Wow. Alright, mate. Oh no. Oh, the ducks. Come on, get across the road, you assholes. Good on him. Good on you. That guy's number plate. Alright. Hey!
Is it my bedtime?
Yep.
No.
Go to bed. What the fuck? What the fucking hell? When you hear that kid in the car, that was some shit. Mate. Okay. Yeah. Back up and fix your shit. Jesus Christ. Whew. Speedy Gonzalez, he says.
Oh my god.
Dashcam.
Dashcam. Where is this shit happening? I'm gonna say that one is northern suburbs, South Australia. Hello helicopter. What are you doing up there? Whoa! What is that? Hey everyone, choppers flying around. What the fuck? Ugh. At least most of these are just like fender benders.
Thinking about a political seat, so I'll start doing my 2-year course in public administration or politics or parliamentarian qualified to do this. And then I've got my qualifications.
No!
You know, just as anybody else. They get the people.
I'm sure that they never, like, if anything, like, fucked up happened, it probably wouldn't be on here, but... Oh, good God, that fucking dog is... Go buy a lottery ticket, doggo. Jesus. What is that all, like, chairs. Fucking chairs. Jesus.
Just on the bloody olive, don't it?
Hey! Sorry. Fucking hell, you dickhead.
Fuck me.
Hey.
That scared the living fuck out of me. Motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, fucking double yellow line, you fucker.
This guy's getting all the fucking goods.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Bad, yeah. Where are they?
Yeah. Is that hazard?
No, triangle one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Where the fuck are the hazards? When you need them, you're like,
Subject to change and are measured from 7 to 11 p.m. Speeds are not guaranteed and may vary. New customers only. For coverage and terms, see website.
oh yeah, you fucking driver.
Second-rate home loan. Yeah. Until she went to and applied to refinance to a Macquarie home.
He needs to get into the all seasons pretty fucking bad. Don't tell me that. Oh, dude. He just keeps going. He just keeps going. Wow. Oh, he stops. He's like, oh, wait. What were those giant explosions happening behind me? Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, that's you, buddy. Fucking Jesus. Alright. Just sitting there. Waxes it. What is he doing? Oh, some fucking people, man. Holy shit. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he's got Beamer as well. Shit. Get that fixed. Wow. Is he gonna cut off that second fire truck? Fuck you, buddy. Hey! Oh wait, what the fuck happened? Oh.
What?
Sorry, I just want to see that dude take that hit again. Look at this. And you know he's gonna go there and cut that other guy off. Alright, where do we go? Oh, he's just running across. Oh! And he's like, I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Oh yeah, Mr.
What?
Ute bloke over there.
What?
Alright, what do we... Ah, son of a bitch. Is he gonna stop or what?
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell is right. Good on you, bloke.
Why is he out the window?
Why is that guy fishing? He's getting in the mood for it, is he? When do we go to Hume Highways like Sydney? Oh, shit. Alright. Just come on across, mate. Whoa! Is that a learner? Is that a learner driver? Whoa! Hey! Do they not see, or do they just not give a shit?
For hybrid off-road campers.
Any work ethic?
Like today.
Fucking hell.
I need to get a dash cam. Where I live, like, the road out the front is just, like, prime for accidents. Haven't seen an accident there, but, like, horns, like, every single day. Jesus Christ, yeah, it's come on through. What is this?
Oh, shit.
Oh, no! The old rear ender, huh? You know what? That guy's defense, I'd be expecting people to get the fuck out of my way as well. Look at the size of that goddamn thing. What the hell is he doing? Is that Keanu Reeves? Is this speed? Is he not allowed to get that thing below 50 miles an hour? Hey. The fuck? He just fucks off. Yeah, see ya, bitch. Wow. You know that guy definitely fucking lost his job. Did that guy just pull over like on the mid? Alright, what do we got? Oh, there it is. Cyclists. Usually not that bad.
US Secretary of State Antony Blinken has warned of consequences if Russia acts aggressively towards Ukraine. And in finance, the Australian market...
Yeah, fuck. Those... You know what? Okay. People that drive those giant trucks, you gotta respect them, man, because that shit is, like... The responsibility that goes behind that is just way too much for me. I'm good. Alright, Nico Bellic. Take it easy. Oh! You would hate to be the person who owned that car that was parked on the side. You're like, really? What the hell was that all about? Look at this absolute shitbox. Clapped out old Camry or whatever it was. Fucking hell.
Oh, far out.
Oh yeah, no, ain't no road there, buddy. Oh, look at this guy. Bruce Wayne over here is gonna stop and see if the guy's alright. Okay. Good thing everybody else just didn't go. Alright. What? Hang on. Did we see that? Oh, he slid out there. Fuck. Shit. This guy's not driving across that fucking road.
Done himself a mischief.
Done himself a mischief. Good on you.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, no. What did I do? Ah, shit. Oh, we saw this bloke. I must be a bit further in. There we go.
Himself a mischief.
He done himself a fucking mischief. And now this guy's like, cheese it!
Cheese it! Robot house!
Hey! Hey!
Oh, it's so good. Is that Lamar and Franklin racing in much shittier cars?
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no faster. Hit me on the speakerphone. I'm moving.
In Ipswich. Hey!
This was on the app as well. We are going to pick around.
Uh-oh. I'm no boat guy, but I don't think that engine's supposed to be doing that.
And probably about
There. Oh!
Where's Gary's house?
Where is Gary's house? These guys didn't even notice. Holy shit. Yeah, man, I'd hate to get caught on like a corner where there's a huge truck pulling in. Fuck that.
Was it a concern? Was it trying to escape?
Oh yeah, so what they do is...
Yeah. Congratulations on surviving that one, mate. Fuck. Is he being chased by the cops? Yes! Alright, he was, that's Trevor. Fucking hell, Trevor. Alright. Good to see old mate's got his mask on the dashboard, by the way. Okay.
Slow.
Yeah, fuck. Shit. Alright, what's this? Oh, man. Man, that thing will take down buildings if it got the chance. Did the truck driver even notice? I don't think so.
Shit! Fuck!
That being said, why the fuck is there a 2-lane one-way street? Just saying. With parking on both sides.
Motherfucker!
What are you doing there, duckies? Wait, emus? Fucking emus! And the family dog is having none of that shit. Fuck off, emu! Very good stuff. Ah, I love a good dash cam. But yeah, we saw some wild shit in that. The thing with the dog at the very start. I'm glad to see a dog get the last laugh in this video by chasing away the emus. But yeah, holy shit, that was a pretty fucking wild one. The guy getting chased by the cops. What? Yeah, I'd love to know like where that was and what that was all about, because that was fucking hilarious. He was in full GTA mode. But let me know in the comments what you guys want me to have a look at in the future. And as always, everyone, be well, stay safe, look after your friends. In the next video, peace.